Chapter 5 Earth's Realms. You will learn 4 spheres of the Earth. Interdependence of these spheres. Let's begin. Ma, my teacher was telling that the Earth has layers, but I cannot see any. Yes, Leela, just like an onion, our Earth has also many layers. Even the atmosphere on the Earth has different layers. All these layers are attached to each other. Teacher's note. Talk about the planet Earth and how it is different from all other planets. Discuss about the life-supporting things that are present on the Earth. Our Earth is a unique planet because it is the only planet in the solar system that has life. There are all the different resources that support life. The whole life cycle on the Earth can be divided into 4 parts, which are called the spheres or realms of the Earth. These are lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Let us now study about each sphere in detail. Lithosphere. The physical structure of the Earth can be divided into 3 parts. Its innermost part is called the core. The middle part is called the mantle and the uppermost part is called the crust. The lithosphere consists of the crust and the thin upper layer of the mantle. The lithosphere is solid in nature with thickness varying from 10 kilometers at some oceanic areas to 300 kilometers in continental areas. The lithosphere is uneven all over the Earth and has various geographical features like plains, mountains, deserts and coastal areas. This is the layer on which human beings and land animals dwell. The lithosphere is always in constant motion as it stands on tectonic plates. This movement of the tectonic layers under the upper layer of the Earth is responsible for geographical phenomena such as earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Atmosphere. It is the layer that covers the Earth like a blanket. The atmosphere protects life on the Earth from harmful ultraviolet rays and radiations of the sun. The air we breathe in is present in this layer only. The atmosphere is a mixture of gases, 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% mixture of other gases like argon, carbon dioxide, dust particles and water vapors. This layer keeps the Earth warm by trapping the sun heat inside. Fact frame. Before life began on the Earth, there was no oxygen in the atmosphere. As soon as the microorganisms like viruses and bacteria evolved, they started converting the carbon dioxide into oxygen. The atmosphere is divided into the following 5 layers. Layer, range, features. Troposphere, 0 to 17 kilometers. This layer is closest to the Earth's surface. It is the warmest and contains 80% mass of the atmosphere. Stratosphere, 17 to 50 kilometer. This layer has the ozone layer which saves us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Aeroplanes fly in this layer only. Mesosphere, 50 to 85 kilometers. This is the layer in which the falling meteors get burned due to the heat of the Earth while entering the atmosphere. Thermosphere, 85 to 690 kilometers. This is the hottest layer of the atmosphere. The temperature of this layer can rise up to 15,000 degrees Celsius. Exosphere, between 1000 and 10,000 kilometer. It is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. Many weather satellites revolve around the sun in this layer. Ionosphere. It has ion charges forming inside it. Radio waves are transmitted in this layer. Hydrosphere. This layer consists of all the water present on the Earth in all 3 forms, solid, liquid and gas. Water is present on 71% area of the Earth in the form of oceans, seas, rivers and other water bodies. It is present in huge quantities on the North Pole and the South Pole in the form of ice caps and snow. It also consists of the water vapors present in the air. The hydrosphere has a very important role in supporting life because it supports the climate, rainfall and other such aspects. The water present on the Earth keeps continuously moving in a cycle. This cycle is known as the water cycle. The amount of water present on the earth is believed to be consistent since the formation of the earth till present day. Most of the water is present in the oceans of the world and is saline water. Only 3% water on the earth is fresh water. Of that, only 1.2% can be used as drinking water. The rest is in the form of glaciers, ice caps and permafrost or buried deep in the ground. Facts frame. The first life form is believed to have evolved in water. The creature lived in water and then crawled out and became the first land animal. Biosphere. This zone consists of all the life forms present on the earth. From the microorganisms to the largest animals present on the earth, all exist in this zone only. This is the life sphere which interacts with all other spheres. The life in this sphere reacts to all the changes in any of the other spheres. The life is so diverse in this layer that new life forms and species are still being discovered by the scientists and researchers. Scientists believe that there must be at least 30 million species on this earth, but they have been able to identify only 1.6 million species till date. The biosphere is a very narrow zone of the earth as it is limited by climatic conditions, air pressure, temperature and light. It extends from the deepest depths of the oceans to the highest most snow lines in the tropical and subtropical mountain ranges. Although biosphere is the smallest of all the other spheres of the earth, yet it plays a vital role in bringing about changes to all the other spheres of the earth. The present atmospheric conditions and the harm to the ozone layer have been because of the human activities and the pollution created by us. All the fossil fuel in the lithosphere is formed by the decomposed dead organisms. All the life forms together make the ecosystem on the earth. Everything we see around us and all the resources present on the earth are parts of the environment. The most unique thing about the environment is that it is non-static. It is very dynamic and consists of all the living and non-living things. It provides us with all our basic needs and suitable temperature for all the living things to dwell. But today, due to the wrong human activities like deforestation and pollution, the ecosystem is getting disturbed. We need to put a check on this urgently. Recall. Our Earth is a unique planet because it is the only planet in the solar system that has life. Earth can be divided into 4 parts which are called spheres or realms of the Earth: lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. The lithosphere consists of the crust and the thin upper layer of the mantle. Atmosphere is the layer that covers the earth like a blanket. Hydrosphere consists of all the water present on earth in all 3 forms: solid, liquid and gas. Biosphere consists of all the life forms present on the A. Take the correct option.